In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Mailchimp. This is a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage and organize your contacts, which is essential for successful email marketing. So, whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this guide will help you integrate your contacts seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Audience tab. Click on this to proceed to the Audience Management section, where you handle all things related to your contacts. The next step is to find the Manage Audience button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Import Contacts. This is the function that allows you to bring in your contacts from an external file. With the Import Contacts panel open, you'll be asked how you'd like to add contacts. Here, you need to choose the option to upload a file. This is the best method if you have a pre-prepared list of contacts in a CSV file format, which is common for listings exported from other platforms or spreadsheet applications. Now you'll see an option to select a file. Click on this and your computer's file explorer will open. Navigate to the location where your CSV file is stored, select the file, and then click Open to upload it. The file should contain all the necessary contact information that you're looking to import. Once the file is uploaded successfully, go ahead and click on Continue. Mailchimp will prompt you to add these contacts into a single audience. Doing this is recommended as it helps simplify things, especially when you want to send personalized marketing messages or when you are managing and analyzing your audience data. You'll now see a drop-down menu where you can select the audience to which these contacts should be added. Choose your preferred audience group and click Continue. At this point, you'll also have the opportunity to tag your contacts. This is very effective for organizing your contacts based on specific categories or interests. Search for existing tags, or if necessary, create new ones that fit your parameters, and then continue. Before finalizing everything, Mailchimp will review the data transfer to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, click Continue. The final step is choosing the email marketing status for your contacts. Once that's selected, you can finalize the import by clicking on Complete Import. And that's it, you've now successfully imported a CSV file into Mailchimp, setting the stage for engaging and targeted email campaigns.